Okay, students. So this is what we've done so far, and I'm speeding through it because I want you to have the chance to share your emoji story with each other. If I can simply show you how to do this, would you be ready? Okay, this process of using the program, the Google program, to share your story, it's pretty simple. With a little fix to set the share setting to comment, which I will show you, and so will the video, so that if you want to make a little reminder or an encouraging message where your partner sees it, but it doesn't change the document that you've actually written. So I'm going to run this short video on Google Skills. I just want to ask you to consider these affirming group sentence starters that we've looked at before, just a way for us to be able to talk to one another in an academic environment. So here we are in just the girls here, and it's a good time to practice for getting ready for your college or getting ready for the bigger classes. Like for an emoji, you saw that, maybe it really did tell their story, or the emoji was well selected. You could say something like, I like how you use this emoji. On the other hand, if you were confused about what they meant, which is probably going to happen because now we know it's not that easy to use emojis to represent words. Now that we've actually done it, you could say something like, tell me more about this, or, I don't think about this emoji, I think, in the same way that you do. Or if you just really disagreed with their choice, you could say, I see it from another viewpoint. I see it this way. So those are just some suggestions on how you guys might talk to each other when you're actually giving verbal feedback. And here we go. Here is the video on how to.
In this video, you will digitally share your emoji rebus story with a partner. If you don't have a partner, ask your teacher. One of the best parts of writing a story is sharing it with others. Sharing an emoji rebus story makes the experience even more exciting. Whoever you share your story with will have fun trying to figure out what each of your emojis is supposed to represent. At the same time, they will be able to practice using context clues to help them understand the meanings of the emojis. To begin, share your story with a partner. When you share, set the permission to view only. Your partner will then be able to read your story without accidentally making any changes.
So I'm going to ask you to go to exactly the same place here and to click on it and to put in commenter, which will allow you to put like a little sticky note on each other's stories, so that if you want to accept the comment, you can and put it into your story. And if you just think it's an idea, but it isn't something that you want to use, it wouldn't have changed your original story. This is the only difference in this direction. Okay, thanks.
Have your partner read the rebus story aloud to you. Check your copy as your partner reads. Think about these questions as you listen. Are there any words that they couldn't guess using the emojis? Did they get the point of the story? Then, swap roles and read your partner's story. Use context clues as you read to figure out the meaning of your partner's emojis. When you have both finished, Share your original copies with each other so you can see how your stories went from regular stories to emoji Reba stories in just a few steps. Now, it's your turn. Share your story with a partner. Listen as your partner reads and read your partner's story.
Okay, thank you very much.
In this video, you will digitally share